Well, we've got ourselves another one of those dip buying opportunities, and that is exactly what the whales are doing. Guys, the whales are not afraid of these dips. The whales go out there and they buy them up. And when they buy them up, they sell them when the price moves back higher. And this trading activity results in millions of dollars created for these whales. Now, unfortunately, for a lot of people, when you go out there and you see a 10, 20% gain, it doesn't translate into $1 million. So, of course, we prefer to hold. Now, it's hard to hold when the price is volatile, but we have to ignore that volatility. We have to believe in the future. We have to understand that over time, these prices rise. And that is exactly what Shiba Inu coin is expected to do. So we're going to talk about some of these whale transactions. 500 billion Shiba Inu coin being snatched up. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going over 500 billion Shiba Inu coin being snatched up as the price of Bitcoin is down today. Yes, all morning long, we've got ourselves a nice little sell-off happening right now. $97,660 on Bitcoin. It was sitting at $102,000 last night, $101,000 this morning, and then fell off the side of a little cliff, sitting down about 4% on the day today, $97,600. Unfortunately, Shiba Inu coin on the daily is coming back down as well. But good news is we're still not back down below this support level. So if you find yourself interested in buying, specifically diversifying, or even buying tiny little meme coins, I want to introduce you to Pepe Meme really quick. Now, Pepe Meme is a brand new meme coin. It has not launched yet, still in its ICO stage, and these guys have done incredible things with their X account and their Telegram. 31.1 million players on their Telegram game. A huge ecosystem being built, and 540, they just crossed it, 540,000 followers on their X account. Guys, this is incredible, especially for a token that hasn't even launched yet, so imagine what they can do after launch. Now, they have $3,047,000 raised so far. You guys can grab an 8% bonus if you become a whale. 3,030 holders. And of course, the price action is beautifully green, but that's because it is during a pre-sale. You can't sell during a pre-sale. You can only buy. Now, I want to show you what 10 Solana is going to get you since it is a Solana token. 10 Solana worth about $2,089 right now on launch day, $9,100. You're more than 4xing your money in a brief period of time, but you and everybody else is going to be trying to take that profit. So if you guys do decide to get into Pepe Meme, make sure you're ready to book some profit. Of course, you can watch the price fall by about 75, 80% before you would break even, but I do imagine there's going to be a lot of profit taking on launch day because these gains are huge, right? Now, if you want to see live transactions, if you want to see a leaderboard, if you want to see all of that, if you want to calculate your ROI to understand just how much money you're going to make, they got a very easy calculator for all of it that you guys can take a look at. But make sure to use that link down in the description below to check out Pepe Meme, especially if you guys are interested in diversifying. But let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin is being snatched up by whales right now. 500 billion Shib is a lot of Shib. It says the popular meme-inspired Shib cryptocurrency saw nearly 500 billion coins worth of activity on behalf of its largest investors, according to data from Into the Block. In particular, this key on-chain metric of large holder inflows, which tracks the movement of those holding at least 0.1% of the Shiba Inu coin token supply in circulation, saw a stunning spike in the last 24 hours, with the number of SHIB flowing into those wallets nearly doubling to 492 billion. Guys, whales are eating it up. Meanwhile, outflows from these wallets totaled 382 billion SHIB over the same period. As it stands, the net inflow totaled 109 billion Shiba Inu coin, which is in stark contrast to the negative net flow observed over the last day. Consider that these wallets belong to real Shiba Inu coin whales and not exchanges, which is a possibility. This would mean that large investors were mostly buying the meme coin yesterday. Now, Shiba Inu coin price teases a bull flag. Since whales are absorbing SHIB en masse, it's interesting to see what prompted them to do so. The answers can be found on the price chart of the Shiba Inu coin. Now, I will say this, right? What I am looking at right now, what I'm looking at on Shiba Inu coin is this ascending channel. And that's the most important technical pattern that I can see on the chart right now. Clearly, you've got candlestick patterns you can look at. You've got, longer term cup and handles. You've got bull flags back here. You got bull flags on a daily chart, on an hourly chart, and so on. But on my daily chart, I can still see that we are bullish. Despite the pullback today, Shiba Inu coin to me is going to be bullish above this 2,100 point per coin level. Now, if it falls below, slightly below at 2,000 points per coin, we're still okay because we wick down a little bit, but we always maintained this trend line over like the last 4, 5, 6 months. So as long as this, I guess, bullish trend continues on, Shib is looking good. But more so than that, guys, we have to understand the importance of Bitcoin. I love Shiba Inu coin, I love the community, all of that, but there's such a stark difference in Shib, which is like a $12-13 billion valuation coin, and Bitcoin, which is worth $1 trillion. Right? There's a huge difference there. And overall, Bitcoin is falling today, but overall, Bitcoin is still looking very good. Bitcoin's just simply having some trouble at the $100,000 mark. We expect that, right? There's nothing wrong with Bitcoin being at that $100,000 mark. It's a significant, round, psychological number. Now, when Bitcoin breaks, I do expect Shiba Inu coin to break out as well. And if you guys have not been accumulating, make sure that you use somewhere to accumulate. It doesn't matter to me. But if you guys are brand new, maybe an easier exchange like Coinbase or Crypto.com or something, very well known. If you guys are traders, right? KSEX exchange and the BitUnix exchange, the ones that I show on the screen, phenomenal for traders. Or if you want to accumulate as well. But BitUnix has up to 125x leverage down to 1x leverage. Very, very, I guess, lenient. If you're a good trader, right? Some people are bad traders, and they're traders nonetheless. You can get 10% of all of your followers' profits. Like this guy, $37,000 following that guy. If he makes 10%, well, he made 50% this week. So if he makes 50% this week, that's another, $17,000, $18,000 that he could make if he does it again. And it's $1,800 to him and $18,000 to his followers. It's a lot of money that we're talking about. That could be you making 10% of everybody that follows. On top of that, they're doing bot trading starting Q1 of this year. And the KSEX exchange, in my opinion, has the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. If you guys are looking to diversify into meme coins for this upcoming bull market, you can get the big names, you can get the small names. I mean, dude, you can go all the way down to meme coins that are so small they don't even have market caps registered yet. And Pepe Unchained. Even Pepe Unchained is on here. Cat Slap is on here. So make sure to check out the KSEX exchange for those tiny little meme coins. Or, of course, you can go big coins, big cryptocurrencies as well. XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all of that available on the KSEX exchange. I want to know what you guys are doing. Are we panicking? Are we accumulating? Are we buying the dip? Are we trading? Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.